Hey guys, the course is almost done. In this lesson, what we are going to do is to nicely arrange our designs to present them to the rest of the world. Here we have the canvas with the color concepts we made before. The first thing we are going to do is to remove these previous concepts that we had on the screen. Okay, great. Then, first of all, in order to get a professional and appealing result, let's create a rectangle surrounding our final design. Then, apply a gradient effect from top to bottom to the rectangle. Insert a gradient directly from the Shape's Properties panel. Remove the rectangle's border, keeping only the gradient. With this, we've added a sort of background or frame to the drawing, and the result seems more professional than before. And these are the final results, together with the color concepts. As I said before, remove the concepts and replace them with the sketches without color, only the outline, so the final drawing stands out. So, open up the file with the outlines and insert them in the canvas. Select them and bring the sketches to the canvas, then scale them down. The way you arrange them is up to you. However, I think it's better that all the outlines have the same size. It's okay if they have different size, but this would mean that you're prioritizing some over others, and what we actually want is the main drawing to stand out. Make sure you properly scale and arrange the elements to get a balanced composition. If you need it, move slightly our costume design so it's properly arranged. Great, so this is the final presentation of our character that we are going to use to showcase our Venetian Carnival drawing. Then, in the next lesson, we'll be simply presenting the character and talking about what we learned in this course. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed the entire process, and see you in the last video.